Hello, this is Paul Milligan for Innovate TV at MediaTek 2017. I'm joined today by Dion from System Solutions, a South Africa-based integrator and distributor. Welcome, Dion.
Morning.
First of all, could you tell me how the Pro AV market has been in South Africa in the last 18 months to 2 years?
Thanks. Well, the market has been interesting. It's certainly a lot of project work on the go. We've been involved with. We've been quite fortunate to have a lot of the bigger projects on, and specifically with our products, a lot into the retail sector, which has been very positive for us. And we look forward to a lot of developments and obviously shopping centres and that sort of thing in the retail sector for distribution on our products. In terms of the integration, we got a lot of products that we've been involved with, and they seem to be going quite nicely into the South African market.
You mentioned the retail sector there. Yes. Are there ones, corporate or education or transport maybe, that are doing well or doing badly right now?
Well, we haven't got too involved with them, but we're seeing a lot in the corporate market, a lot of new developments and buildings going up. So from an integration point of view, we've been involved with one or two of them, and a lot of new developments from international companies that are putting up innovation centres here, which we've been involved with, and lots of new technology that we've managed to get involved with.
Sure. I mean, one of the hot products right now in the Pro AV world is certainly LED, and I see from your stand you guys look after Christie and Lighthouse, and amongst those. How have you seen that market change? Are people looking to replace projection with LED now? Are you seeing that change?
It's return on investment. It's large format. The quality has changed considerably in terms of LED. So we're talking of 1.5mm and 2.5mm pixel pitches, and obviously that resolution is now critical for a lot of the larger screen formats for retail where it can be utilised, and we're seeing a lot of that happening here, as you're seeing on the stand at the moment, and very positive. And that's a growing market in terms of where LCD used to be, LED is now taking over.
Okay.
And the cost points and price points are coming down.
And are people looking for that kind of small? You mentioned 1.5 and 2mm. Are they looking for those small pixel pitches now?
Absolutely. Okay. It's quality. That's what they're looking for in a lot of the retail type sector. Boardrooms. We're seeing a lot of that going in boardrooms, reception areas, where they're looking and have that sort of requirement.
So the LED is going into a fixed install rather than maybe a rental staging customers?
Correct. Yeah, fixed install. And the longevity on the product. That's where everybody's looking at, particularly in the market at the moment.
And in terms of the content they're looking to put on there, are they? Is it kind of content they've already got? Are they looking to put new content? What do they want the LED to do? Really?
A lot of it is existing content, so displaying product sets and that sort of thing. If we look in the retail chains at the moment, it's a lot of fashion type products that they're wanting to show there, and at the same time educate their market and their buyers that are in there about new products and that sort of thing. So we're seeing a lot of that, and it's new ways of doing it. LED obviously offering the higher brightness in terms of products. No issues with ambient light and viewing angles is critical for that. So they're able to do a lot, and a lot of it is their own content. So they're developing a lot of their own content, but they need the product to actually display it with. Something
we've heard from people who work in the retail sector is that you can often benefit as an integrator or a distributor from the competitive nature of retail, in that if a Coca-Cola store has a big LED screen, 2 weeks later, the Pepsi store will have a big. Is that something you've benefited
Absolutely, we're seeing all of that. So a lot of the design in terms of stores at the moment, they put in display technology as one of the first points and the starting points, and they build a lot of the store and the real estate around that for the store with that in mind.
Sure.
And we see that the trend now with a lot of the retail stores, and as you see with a lot of our products now, it's being utilised in fashion windows, and LED being utilised for that. So instead of actually seeing static models in there now, you're actually seeing LED and the displaying of their video and that sort of thing, and advertising.
Okay. And is the majority of your work for the LED stuff, is that indoor based, or are we seeing some outdoor projects now as well?
We indoor and outdoor. So we've done a lot of the stadiums in the past, but specifically our most recent projects have been indoor in terms of shopping centres and that sort of thing. So a lot of investment that's gone into that.
Okay, so positive time then on the whole.
Yes, indeed.
Great, good to hear. Dion, thanks for your time.
My pleasure, thank you.